Got it. Okay. Good afternoon to one and all. Today we are discussing about defective chessboard. That is defective chessboard. In defective chessboard, uh, you are having a chessboard of size n by n. That is n by n chessboard. It is 4 by 1 by 1 chessboard, 2 by 2 chessboard, 3 by 3. Sorry, 4 by 4 chessboard, and next is 16 by 16 chessboard or 66 by 64 chessboard, where n is 2 power k. 2 power k means suppose any chessboard size, the any chessboard size is n by n, where n equal to 2 power k. That is 1 by 1, 2 by 2, 4 by 4, 8 by 8 chessboard, or 16 by 16 chessboard, or 256 by 2 chessboard. The exactly every chessboard has only one defective square board. That is exactly it is one square is defective in the chessboard, and only one square is defective square. Okay, this all the squares, that is the all these squares covered with the triaminos, that is trominos, it is tiles with the trominos, and except defective square. That is it is trominos are three types, four types. That is the L-shaped trominos. That is L-shaped trominos. That is any tromino contain three squares. That is the three squares. That is in chessboard. That is in chessboard, all the non-defective squares covered with trominos. That is all the non-defective squares covered with trominos except defective square. It is any type of tromino. It is L-shape. It is one type of tromino. It is second type and third type and fourth type. So in any chessboard, it is 2 by 2 power k into 2 power k board of square, exactly one chessboard. If k equal to 0, it is k equal to 0 means it has only one square. Is k equal to 0, it has only one square. That is only one defective square is possible. You cannot use any triaminos here. Here trominos has, that is trominos has used three squares, but if k equal to 0, it is k equal to 0, it has only one defective square. No more required to any trominos to cover the non-defective squares. Suppose if k equal to 1, it is if k equal to 1, there are four defective chessboards. That is the four defective squares. There are four possible defective square. It is first square or second square. Suppose it is k equal to 1 means 2 by 2 chessboard. That is 2 by 2 chessboard means two rows, two squares column rows and two columns. That is 4 by 2 by 2 chessboard. That is 2 by 2 chessboard means here 2 by 2 chessboard. The put is one of the possible square. It is one of the possible square defective square. That is suppose here one square is defective, is another square, here another square is defective. That is there are four possible defective squares. Only the triaminos, that is the triaminos covers only non-defective squares. There are four possible defective squares. So suppose k equal to 2, that is k equal to 2 means k equal to 2 means 2 square into 2 square. That is 2 square into 2 square. That is 2 square into 4 by 4 chessboard. That is 4 by 4 chessboard. In 4 by 4 chessboard is totally 16 squares. That is 2 square. K equal to 2 means 4 by 4 chessboard. Suppose 2 into 4 into 4, 2 square into 2 square. That is 4 into 4. There are 16 possible defective squares. This first square is defective square, or second square is defective square, or third square is defective square, but only one square is defective. That is only one square is defective. Totally 16 possible defective squares. That is first square is defective square or second or third, but only one possible defective square. The remaining squares, that is the remaining squares must be covered with or tiled with. That is here tiled means covered with. That is they covered with trominos. That is L-shaped trominos. L-shaped trominos. Here only in 2 by 2 we are covering one type of trominos. Here one type of trominos. Suppose 2 cube into 2 cube. That is suppose k equal to 3. That is k equal to 3 means 8 by 8 chessboard. That is in 8 by 8 chessboard. That is in 8 by 8 chessboard. Totally 64 squares. There are 64 possible defective squares, but only one defective square, but there are 64 possible defective square. In k equal to 3, the squares is covered with triaminos. That is the squares is covered with triaminos. except defective square. Suppose one trinomial, second, third, fourth. Suppose for example, so for example, k equal to 0, it has only one square, no need the trinomials. Suppose k equal to 1, one defective square is the remaining 3 is covered with one type of trinomial. Suppose second square is defective square, there is one type of another trinomial is to cover the 3 squares. Suppose third square is defective, must cover with another type of trinomial. Fourth square defective, must prime the type of trinomial. Same here, in k equal to 2 means 2 square into 2 squares. Suppose 16. 16 means, that is, the 16 means 16 possible defective squares, but only one square is defective. The remaining squares is covered with trinomials. So it is the only one square is covered with one square is defective. The remaining square covers with trinomials. So the rules and regulations to cover the trinomials is here. First one square, 2 by 2 and 2 by 2. Here, suppose in 4 by 4 chessboard, that is in 4 by 4 chessboard, for example, that is the second row first square is defective square. Suppose the second row first square is defective square. Suppose the remaining squares is covered with the trinomials. Suppose in first square we are covered with one trinomial. In second square we are covered with the yellow trinomial. And third square, that is in third square we are covered with, that is third square is covered with means in third square we are covered with one trinomial, and another one is one trinomial, next one is another trinomial. That is totally the remaining squares is covered with only L-shaped trinomials. That is no trinomials is overlap. That is no trinomials is overlap. We must use the 3 squares. That is, suppose you must use the 3 squares. So for example, in 4 by 4 chessboard, that is in 4 by 4 chessboard, the remaining space, that is the remaining square must be covered with trinomials. So the remaining squares must be covered with trinomials. So no trinomials is overlap. That is no trinomial is overlap. And next one is trinomial not cover the defective square. The defective square, that is the trinomials covers except defective square. So here 4 by 4 chessboard, first you are placed one trinomial, next you are placed another trinomial, next you are placed another trinomial. It is green color trinomial, next one red color trinomial, and next one is here light blue color trinomial. So the square is covered with different trinomials of L shape. No trinomial is overlapped. Suppose here color, it is no trinomial is overlapped, and next no trinomial is overlapped with one another. All the trinomials is covered non-defective squares. Here condition is all trinomials is covered with non-defective squares. Any chessboard has only one defective square. So for example, in defective chessboard, the chessboard using trinomials, there are 4 possible trinomials. That is already we are discussing 4 possible trinomials. It is one type of trinomial, another type of trinomial. It is L-shaped tiles. That is L-shaped tiles is also known as technically trinomials. All the chessboard is covered with trinomials except defective square. So here 2 trinomials should not be overlapped. Already we are discussing no 2 trinomials is not overlapped. And next one is trinomial should not be covered defective square. Trinomials should not be covered defective square, and no 2 trinomials should not be overlapped. Next one, trinomials must be cover all the other squares. The total number of trinomials required is 2 power 2k minus 1 by 3. For any chessboard, that is any chessboard, for any chessboard 2 power 2k chessboard, that is suppose k equal to 0, the number of trinomials required is 2 power 2k minus 1 by 3. For example, here total number of trinomials here used is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This totally we are using 5. Suppose k equal to 2, 4 by 4 chessboard means, that is 4 by 4 chessboard means 2 power k into 2 power k. That is suppose k equal to 2, we are using 4 by 4 chessboard. Same, the number of trinomials required is 5. By generalization formula, it is by generalization formula 2 power 2 into 2, that is 2 power 2 into k. That means 2 power 2 into 2, 4. 2 power 2 power 2 power 4 minus 1 by 3 that equal to 16 minus 1 15 15 by 3 5. So suppose k equal to 2, the total number of Troyanas required is 5. Is total number of Troyanas required is 5. Suppose k equal to 2. So next, so same. So to cover the chessboard, that is to cover the chessboard by using all Troyanas, the problem can be solved by using divide and conquer method. That is to solve this problem by using divide and conquer method. It is suppose defective chessboard with k equal to 0, no Troyanas is required. Same this problem, this problem is solved with divide and conquer method. Divide and conquer method. Suppose k equal to 0, no Troyanas is required. Suppose k equal to 1. The k equal to 1 means the number of non-defective squares is 3. You can use tile with one Troyanas. That is, suppose k equal to 1. K equal to 1, we are using only one Troyamina. That is k equal to 1, we are using one Troyamina. Suppose if k greater than 1, it is k greater than 1 means suppose 2 square into 2 square, it is 4 by 4 chessboard or 4 by 4 chessboard or 8 by 8 chessboard or 32 by 32 chessboard 2 power 5, 32 by 30 chessboard or 64 by 60 board. If any chessboard, that is any chessboard is covered with non-defective squares, by using divide and conquer method, the square is divided into 2 power k minus 1. That is, suppose the chessboard has 2 power k into 2 power k. 2 power k into 2 power k. Here 2 power k represents the number of squares for row or column. Suppose by divide and conquer method, it is by divide and conquer method, 2 power k into 2 power k chessboard is divided into 4 2 power k minus 2 chessboard. To solve this problem, it is to solve this problem, the problem divided, that is the problem divided into 4 2 power k minus 1 into 2 chessboard. That is same. Suppose here 2 power k minus 1 into 2 power k minus 1 chessboard. For example, that is for example here 4 by 4 chessboard. That is in 4 by 4 chessboard, 4 by 4 chessboard, the square is divided into 4 subsquares. That is 4 2 by 2 squares. 2 power k minus 1 into 2. Suppose here 4 by 4 chessboard means 2 square in 2 square into 2 square. The square is divided into 4 2 power 2 into 2 squares. That is the square is divided into 4 2 by 2 squares. So the square is divided into 4 2 by 2 squares. All the squares, that is all the squares is covered with all the squares covered with the Troyanas except defective square. Suppose the every square, that is the every 2 by 2 square has one defective non-defective squares. The 3 non-defective squares, suppose here you are using light green color. Suppose here in first having defective square. Suppose in second 2 by 2 square there is no defective square. So there in third and fourth there is no defective square. But in every square consider one defective squares. Non-defective squares. The non-defective squares is covered with one Troyanas. That is the every square. That is the every square has one Troyamina. The every square has one circle. Suppose here second square is covered by one Troyamina. Third square is covered by one Troyamina, and fourth square is covered by one Troyamina. In every square, we are remaining one non-defective square. By filling green color, is one non-defective square, one non-defective square. In remaining three 2 by 2 squares, the 3 non-defective squares is covered by one Troyanas. That is divide and conquer method. In divide and conquer method, the divide and conquer method, the square is divided into 4 subsquare. Square is chessboard is divided into 4 subsquares. Every chessboard is covered with one Troyanas. Every chessboard is remaining with, that is every chessboard remaining with one non-defective square. So the 3 squares, that is the 3 chessboards having one non-defective chessboard, the 3 non-squares is covered with one Troyanas. Here only suppose in defective chessboard, the square is, that is, the chessboard is divided into four subs. The chessboard is divided into four 2k minus 1 2 chessboard. Every chessboard has one non-defective square. That is, suppose here in green color, every chessboard has one non-defective square. The three non-defective squares is covered with another triaminos. So all the squares is covered with triaminos except defective square. For example, it is the for example, here the chessboard divided into only one of the four chessboards having defective space. Fill one of the four corresponding triaminos to convert the remaining three chessboards with convert the remaining three boards to defective chessboards. You place one triaminos come into there. That is one triamina formed by the three. It is the remaining three. It is the remaining chessboards with non-defective squares is covered with one triaminos. So here, to solve any problem, the problem divided into four sub-problems. Same here, to cover the all the defective squares, we are using the any is chessboard is divided into four sub chessboards. That is four sub chessboards. It is four chessboards. The every chessboard has one defective non-defective chess. In three non-defective square is one covered with one triaminos. For example, that is, so for example, here suppose the chessboard, that is the chessboard has one square. That is the chessboard has one defective square. Here 8 by 8 chessboard has one square. First divide into 16 by 16 chessboard. 16 by 16 chessboards, 4 16 by 16 chessboard. So the sub problem is solved again. The sub problem divided into four sub problems. That is four sub problem. That is 16 by 16 chessboard is divided into sub problem. The sub problem is solved by divided into four 2 by 2 chessboards. That is here 4 by 4 chessboard is divided into 2 by 2 chessboard. In 2 by 2 chessboard, only one square has defective square. The three remaining squares, that is in 2 by 2 chessboard, that is in defective square, the remaining three, that is the remaining non-defective squares is covered with one triaminos. Same here 4 by 4 chessboard, the non-defective squares is covered by one triaminos. Same here 4 by 4 chessboard. It is here 4 by 4 chessboard. In 4 by 4 chess, the remaining non-defective squares is covered with one triaminos. For example, here same. Suppose in 16 by 16 chessboard, sorry, 8 by 8 chessboard. The 8 by 8 chessboard is divided into 4 by 4 chessboards. It is 4 by 4 chessboard, but in first 4 by 4 chessboard has only one defective squares. The remaining squares, that is the remaining squares is covered with triaminos. That is the remaining squares is covered with triaminos. In 4, it is in overall only one chessboard. That is only one chessboard has, that is only one chessboard has defective square. That is in fourth square, one board defective square. For example, it is in suppose the 4 by 4 chessboard, the first square has defective square, or the second same square and square. So in 4 by 4 chessboard, that is any defective, any problem is divided into sub problems, 4 subsquares. That is here in our example, that is the square is divided into 4 2k minus 1 into 2k minus 1 chessboards. So by after accepted defective square, the three remaining every square has one non-defective square. Every square has one non-defective square. The remaining three non-defective square in different squares, different chessboards is covered with one triaminos. The main concept is the problem divided into 4 sub problems. The every sub problem has one defective, non-defective. Only one sub problem has defective square. The remaining 3 sub problems has or having one square. That is one square. The 3 remaining squares is covered with one triaminos. This here problem is divided into 4 sub problems. That is 2 by 2 power k into 2 power k chessboard is divided into 2 power k minus 1 into 2 power k minus 1. Suppose the problem has input k, that is the problem has input k. The problem divided into 4 k minus 1 subproblems, that is the time complexity, that is the time complexity for chessboard is same. The time complexity for chessboard is, suppose t of k equal to d if k equal to 0, if k minus 1. The problem divided into 4 subproblems, that is the problem is divided into 4 subproblems t into k minus 1 plus c. C represents number of steps required to divide the problem. Same here, t of k. So in previous examples you are using n, but in our example you are using k. No problem. There is no difference between k and n. T of k equal to d if k equal to 0. Suppose the problem divided into 4 subproblems. Each problem has input k minus 1, k minus 1 plus c. So again substitute k minus 1 instead of k. So 4 into t minus 1 plus c, that equal to 4 square into t into k minus 1 plus 4c plus c. Same, calculate t k minus 2, substitute k minus 2 instead of k. So 4 into t minus k minus 1 minus 2, that equal to k minus 3 plus c, equal to 4 power q plus k minus 3 and 4 square plus 4c plus 1. So in generalization, that is in generalization 4 power 3 t minus 3 into 4 square plus 4 plus 1. So same in generalization formula, it is in generalization formula 4 power k t of k minus 1 plus c into 4 power k minus 1 and k minus 2 plus k minus 2 minus 1. So sum of the numbers by using generalization formula, by using generalization formula, it is 4 power k minus 1 minus 2, it is minus 1 equal to 4 power, here t of 0 equal to d 4 power k plus c into 4 power k minus 1. 4 power k minus 1 equal to 4 power k minus 1. So the time complexity is, the time complexity is, that is the time complexity is for any problem it is 4 power k. Here same for here we are using 4 power c into 4 power k minus 1 minus 1. Same here 4 power, that is totally the time complexity by using big O notation or omega notation. The time complexity is big O of 4 power k. Suppose we are using kn instead of k, we are using 4 power big O of 4 power k. Is big O of 4 power k or big O of 4 power n. You are using k value instead of n. So the time complexity is big O of n. So here the problem divided into 4 subproblem. Suppose the problem has input k, the subproblem has input k minus 1. That's why k minus 1 means the problem, the chessboard, that is this 2 by 2 chessboard. 2 power k into 2 power k chessboard is 2 power k into 2 power k chessboard is divided into 4 2 power k minus 1 into 2 power k minus 1 chessboards. That's why we were problem divided into 4 subproblems. So the time complexity is, the time complexity is 4 into t minus k minus 1 plus c. So here the time complexity, that is the time complexity is big O of 4 power k. It is in chessboard, it is in chessboard. Any chessboard is divided into 4 subproblems. In 4 subproblems, only one subproblem has defective square. What is only one subproblem has defective square? The remaining 3 subproblems have non-defective squares. The remaining squares, that is the remaining chessboards, one non-defective squares, that is in 3 problems, that is in 3 subproblems, 3 non-defective squares is covered with one triamnus. Is in our problem, it is in our problem in for defective chessboard problem, it is this square is, that is the chessboard is covered with the triamnus, that is all the squares, that is all the non-defective squares covered with the triamnus. That is there are 4 types of triamnus, that is L-shaped triamnus, that is we are using any L-shaped triamnus, that is any L-shape, that is there are 4 types of triamnus, is first, second, third, fourth. But the main conditions, that is the main condition is the triamnus should not be overlapped, the triamnus should not be covered defective square, and the The triamnast must cover all the squares, that is all the squares in the chessboard. So the problem solved by defective by divide and conquer method. The chessboard is divided into 4 sub chessboards. That is 2 power k into 2 power chessboard is divided into 2 power k minus 1 into 2 power k minus 4 chessboards. And every sub problem is covered with triaminas. Suppose the every sub problem, it is except defective square problem, the remaining 3 problems have using 1 square, remaining 1 square. The remaining 3 squares in 3 sub non-defective squares is covered with 1 sub problem. Here the main one is the remaining problems, that is the remaining non-defective square triaminas, non-defective chessboards having 1 non-defective square must be covered with triaminas. So time complexity is calculated, same time complexity. So 4 power k, it is big O of 4 power n. Next, and second unit, there is only one topic, that is quicksort. Already we are discussing in DS. In quicksort, it is the quicksort, the problem divided into 2 sub problems. There is no need to combine the solution. That is the no need to combine the solutions. Last one, it is defective, quicksort. It is tomorrow we'll discuss about quicksort. In second unit, we have only five topics. Already we are discussing first one, that is merge sort. Second one, binary search. Third one, maxima minima. Fourth one, defective chessboard. It is defective chessboard. And last one, it is the last one is quicksort. It is tomorrow we're discussing about quicksort. Okay, thank you one and all.